So again, we want to play out for you At least 2 people are dead after a small plane crashes in this Florida neighborhood, hitting a car there. I don't know if you could see as the plane was coming down. Rescue crews responded to the scene in this residential area of Pembroke Pines. Pembroke Pines Fire Rescue saying that the 2 people on board the plane at the time of the crash were pronounced dead at the scene. Another woman and a young boy who were inside a car that the plane crashed into were taken to the hospital with serious injuries. No word yet on what may have caused this crash, which is now under investigation, but all of it being caught here on camera. This is coming via Ricardo Montalvan through this Ring camera here. We just received these videos in the past hour or so. The flames immediately going up. We were showing you live pictures earlier of the EMS tending to the scene. Just shocking video coming out of Florida. You can see the woman on the right-hand corner coming out of her house. So again, that small plane coming down and making contact